Akab, my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Mishi here, and today we're serving you this look, okay? So if you're wondering how I achieved this slay today, oh my god, keep on watching. Okay, so I probably mentioned this earlier in my video. I'm not a makeup artist, okay? I don't even know what I'm gonna be doing my makeup today. All I know is I want a dark lip, but I want some eyes to complement it as well, so we'll see. We'll see. Got a few blemishes on my forehead. Your girl just finished her period and it was a bit of a mad one, so yeah, starting off with a bare face, but I am gonna put some moisturizer on and some eye cream. Nothing different to what I usually use, just my vanishing cream and my Burt's Bees Intensive Hydration. Cool. So usually I do my foundation before I go in with my eyes, but I don't really know how this eye look is gonna turn out. It could be terrible. So I'm gonna do my eyes first, and then if it doesn't work out, I can wipe it off. As opposed to like doing my whole foundation and then wiping it off. Do you know what I mean? Okay. So I'm gonna tackle the eyes first today, and then I'll do my foundation after. Okay, before you want to add anything to your lids, go in with a primer. I'm just using the NYX Proof It. Now the lids are prepped, if you do have like darker skin around your eyes, then I would highly recommend going through with a lighter concealer or something just to like wash out the darkness if you want. That sounds really terrible. Like, I really don't mind it, but like it's just to make the colours pop a bit more, do you get what I mean? So I'm just gonna use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the colour Fawn, and I'm just gonna go all over my eyes with this. FYI, I'm gonna look crazy, but it's okay. Wow, this is a look. Okay. Now looking like a hot mess, I'm gonna set my eyes with a translucent powder. So I'm just gonna use the RMCA translucent powder. Looks like that. But this will make it easier for when the powders go on. It won't be like as tacky. They really need to fix this this container. Like I don't understand it. I don't understand. Like, what is this? I've been looking like a real life reverse panda right now. Like I really don't know what's happening, but it's okay. I'm gonna be using the Morphe 352 palette. It looks like this. My black shade broke. I don't know how, but it is what it is. Life goes on, you know? I'm gonna go with a fluffy kind of brush. I'm gonna put this color all on my lids and like up in the transition, I think. Let's do that. Let's do that. The color is called Risky. You know what else is risky? This makeup look. Because I have no idea what I am doing. I don't know how much to add. Am I adding too much right now? I don't know. Let me just bring it down here as well. I feel like everything's really washed out. Doesn't look like that in real life though. I don't know. Okay, it's fine. Right, so next. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with the shade called Rich. It's a really beautiful brown color. This one here. I'm going in with the same kind of fluffy brush, but I'm gonna concentrate this color on the outside and the inside of my eye, because I feel like it, and then kind of just sweep it. I need a darker brown, like, because I feel like it's not really adding that much. Let me do the other eye first and then I'll see how I'm feeling after. Or I think I've got an idea. Use one of these spongy thingies, like this. I'm gonna spray a little bit of water on it, just to pick up a bit more product. Yeah, okay, that's getting me the depth I want. Once that's on, then I'm gonna blend that. Okay, we're gonna stick with that for now. I don't know how far about that yet, but I'm hoping the next step will fix this. I really like this color in the palette. It's called Polished. And I'm gonna pop it in the center of my lids because it's real cute. I think it's like really chocolate girl friendly. So literally, like, look where your eye is, your iris, and just pop it on top. Oh, that's pretty. I'm literally just gonna focus it just on the center. Oh my god, she's real cute, guys. So this is polished, and she polished my look, okay? Let me do the same on the other eye. I actually really like this. What I am gonna do is add a little bit of a white crayon onto my lower lash line. My eyes pop a bit more. So this is the NYX crayon? Jumbo pencil. Jumbo eye pencil. See how much brighter it makes my eyes look? Oh my god, I just got like fizzy sugar in my eye. Note to self, don't eat fizzy sweets whilst you're doing an eye look. You heard it from me first. This has really made me happy. I really like this eyeshadow. I'm gonna do a quick liner. Now this could make or break the look. We shall see. Alright, so these are definitely not identical, but we're still looking cute, okay? Now, I was really contemplating putting false lashes on for this look, but really and truly, I want to keep it 100 on my channel. And the truth is, I don't really wear false lashes. I'm just gonna go in with my mascara, okay? Do you guys do like weird faces when you're doing your bottom lash? Actually, no. I'm not gonna do the bottom lashes because I just remember when I spray, it's gonna like run there. You know what I mean, right? Let's do the rest of the face. Let's stop looking like a reverse panda. I went to Too Faced because your girl loves Jackie Anna. Jackie. Yeah, and I went to go and get color matched in one of their foundations. I have commitment issues when it comes to foundations. I'm pretty sure I annoy every woman that has to color match me at the counters. So I basically took a color away. I forgot what color this is actually. I'll link it in the bar down below if I remember. I'm gonna try this foundation out today. I haven't even primed. Your girl's too excited right now. I don't know what's happening. Let me just quickly prime my nose. Okay. What do you guys think? The thing is with me, my head is a different color from my neck's a different color from my body, so there's never really like a perfect match. I just have to kind of find something that won't make me look like I'm wearing a mask. No, I actually like this. I actually like this. I don't know what's wrong with me right now. I think I've had too much to go. We're gonna go in with Fawn again in the Pro Conceal. Yeah. And I just picked up the Revolution Conceal and Define. You guys probably seen this all over the internet. This is in C18, the darkest shade. I'm just gonna contour with that. Okay. And now we're gonna blend. Oh, I hope this doesn't ruin my eye look. This is why I don't understand how people do this. I mean, do their eyes before they do their foundation. Because I feel like now I can't blend properly because I'm scared I'm gonna ruin my eyes. Ah, dilemma. I'll probably have to go in again and do the bottom lash line. You can't miss those baby hairs. Okay, let's set the areas that we put highlight on, and I'm just using the benign powder. I don't really feel like baking it today. I'm just gonna dust the excess off. Let's put some blusher on. I'm using the same blusher I use all the time because this is what I have and this is what I love. Raizin. I think this color really goes with this look though. Bring some color into place. I'm gonna be using Cheeky Bronze from MAC. Nothing new again. You know what? Just to be extra bougie, I'm gonna add a little bit to my brow bone. Put some highlight on my nose. I think that's pretty much the face, apart from the lips, obviously. But let's spray my face down first because I feel like I just look crazy. Woo! Let me do my bottom lashes because otherwise I look like naked. Now the lipstick color I'm using is called Antique Velvet. It's a matte from MAC. I'm gonna line my lips first with Chestnut. Make that Cupid's bow. Let's have a little bit of highlight there too. Oh, I feel like Chestnut all over would be such a good look though. Oh, that would be actually a really buff look. Let's see what the lipstick looks like on. Let's give it a chance. Okay. I might be really cheeky and do an alternate ending for this makeup tutorial because I feel like it would look really nice with a gloss as well, so I'm gonna do that too. This is cute gloss. Let's take this off though. I feel like this would be really nice with a darker lip, to be honest. But this is cute as well. Like, this is like chocolate goddess vibes, you know. Yes. It's cute. This is gonna be my go-to now for autumn, I think. So yeah, this is the final look. Thank you so much guys for all the support so far on my channel. You are appreciated. Please, please, please don't forget to support by subscribing if you did enjoy this look. I promise to deliver every Sunday. But yeah, thank you so much guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video.